Okay guys, so now let's move on to the another topics. Like in the previous sessions we saw how to create a Django web projects, we saw how to create a web application, and we saw 100% authentication system, right? Like how to do the sign up and login as all those things. So I'll just open the particular code. Here is the code, so I'll just run the particular server. So whenever you are running the code, the first thing you have to do is you have to run the server. So I'll just open the terminal over here. So I'll just select it as a command prompt. So once I select it as a command prompt, so I need to run the command. So what is the command? So see where I am. First I'm inside the Zim Fitness, then I'm inside the Asba Fitness folder. Okay, so where my manage.python files exist, so I need to run the command python manage.py run server. So I need to just run this particular command. So once I run this command, the server is going to start. So let's see what all the things to be done next. So first what I need to do here is, so I'll just mark all the things whichever it is done. So this is done. So I'll just change the particular color it to, I'll just change it to green color. So this is done, and even this particular part is done. Okay, so now next I need to, even this is also done, right? So this is also done. This was the plan. So now we need to work on the 3 pages. So we'll work on to the 2 pages at least today. So which is how to enroll the particular data of the gym, like taking a full name, email, gender, phone number, date of birth. We'll see how to create a database table, and even we are going to see how to load the particular data dynamically from the back end to the front end part. Then parallelly we'll work on to the attendance part as well. Then we'll see the view profile in the next coming sessions. So coming back to the code, so the server is started. So once I start the server, I need to open the URL, that is 127 this one. So once I open this, so this is the website we are working on. So we saw how to do the sign up, login as well. So what I'll do here is, I'll just already I'm a user, so I'll just log in with my credentials. So I'll tell 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then I'm trying to log in with the password, that is, I think I had given my name. I'll just log in with my password. You can say I'm getting a welcome page now. So I am logged in. So now let me work on to the this particular pages. So first I will work on to the enrollment, or else I'll try to work on with the contact page table first, so that will be easy for you guys to understand how exactly the contact works. Suppose if someone wants to contact us, so they will enter the particular data from the front end, so I can able to see what all the whoever I have contacted, what is the particular query of them. So coming back to the application, so first I need to create a database table. So first I need to create a database table. So what is a database table? So it is something we will be creating with the name, that is class. So I'll be using a class keyword. So here I need to create a database table by the name contact. So I can save the particular data. So I'll just tell model over here. So once I enter the contact, so here I need to provide all the attributes you are going to take it. So first I want to take the name of the person, then I'm going to take the email of the person, then I'm going to take the particular phone number, that is a NUMBR number of the person, then I'm going to take the description of the person. Okay, so these are 4 attributes I'm going to take it. So basically the name is a characterized, so I need to use the character field over here. So I'll tell models.char field. So I'm just choosing a char field over here, which is the maximum length I am going to provide attribute, that is, I'll tell it should be at least 25 characters over here. Same way I'll just tell here models dot, here I am going to use the email field attribute, which is defaultly present. For the phone number, even I am going to store the, I'll tell models dot, I'll just tell models dot char field, which has the maximum. Even you can give the integer, that's matter, but I'll use the character field so that I'll convert the thing into the string. So for the description, obviously it will be a long thing, so it will be a models dot text field. So I'll be using a models dot text field over here, so that I can enter the number of things. So each and every function, each and every class is going to return something. It is going to return each and everything it is returning a object, right? So now suppose a person Darshan is going to contact me, he will fill the name, email, phone number and description. So there should be one particular object where all the data is going to store. So for that object we need to return it, whether it by the returning the object might be return name, object might return email, object might return number or a ID. so the particular unique ID. So I will just return it with an object. So I'll just return it with the name itself. I'll tell I want to return a string. So what it is going to take here is, it is going to take a self, and it is going to return the self dot. I want to return the same class. I'll return with the email or a name. So it is better I'll just return with the email itself. Okay, so I'll tell I want to redirect with the emails over here. So now I have created a database table, that is class contact. So once you do any changes with your models.python file, the first thing what you have to do here is you need to run the migrations. So I'll just open the new terminal over here. So once I open the new terminal here, so I need to run the particular migrations to it. So the migrations is what? So come inside your folder, that is Azure Fitness, where your manage.python files lies. Here I need to run the command python manage.py make migrations. So I'm telling I want to make the migrations. You can see it is telling me there is a model, that is a contact is been created. So then I need to migrate it. I'll tell python manage.py migrate. So once I run this command, you can see migrations is applied for the particular stuff now. So now once the migrations is applied, let me come back to the auth application. Here is the views over here, sorry, the models. So I want to register into my administration, whatever the database table you have created, I want to register inside my admin panel. So for that we are having a file, that is admin.python. I'll just open this. I'll first import the particular content here. I'll just import the particular contact. So what is that? I need to import the particular contact. So you can see it is telling, it is automatically imported from the authentication dot from the auth dot models, importing the contact. I'll tell here to my admin dot site dot register. I want to register a table, that is contact. Once I do and save the database table, the contact table is going to register, and you can see the server has been restarted. So coming back to here, I'll just open in the incognito. I'll just open the local host and I'll just go to the administration part. So once I go to the administration, I'll just give the username and a password to it. So once I click onto the username and password, as you can see here, the auth app table is been showing and the contact table is been showing. Previously it was not going to show. So once I create a database table, once I register into the administration, our database table can see over here. So I can able to click over here and I can see all the contact details whoever wants to contact it. Even you can add the particular data from here itself. You can see name, email, phone number and description. Even I can add it from here also. But what we now want to do here is we need to take a data from the database. So sorry, from the front end part, I need to load the data and do it. So now that thing I am going to do from the front end page. From here I need to do it. So obviously, so I'll just apply one URL. I'll just try to create a one new URL path. That is, I'm just going to create a path. I'll just create a contact. So whenever anyone has the views to the contact, it should go to the views dot contact function, where the function name is equal to contact. It is same as it is. There is no any rocket science over here. So you can see as it is telling me, it is not having any contact function inside the views, that is auth app. So I need to create a function inside my views.python file by a new name, that is auth. So I'll just try to create a function by name contact, which is going to take a request request, which is going to take a request, and it is going to return something. I'll just write the pass over now. So for here I'll just write the pass. So I hope there is no error. You can see it over here. So now here I have a contact function, that is even we are having a URL, that is contact. Coming back to the templates, where I need to do the changes here is first, anyone try to click onto the contact, it should go to the /contact page. And even in the index.html, the reflection is been changed. That is, if anyone try to click onto the contact, it should go to the /contact URL. So what I need to do here is, coming back to the views again, here let me return the something. I'll return this template. So rather than returning the handle login, I'll tell anyone goes to the contact page, it should redirect the contact.html page. Same, that contact.html page I am going to create it into the templates. Here I'll just create the template, edit contact.html page. The contact.html page has been created. So now what I am going to do here is I'll go to the handle login function. I'll copy everything from here. Again, I am going to paste everything into my contact.html page. That is fine. There is no any what I can say, there is no crime to copy paste. Okay, so the thing is you have to understand it. So if I log in, I'll demo. Just I need to change the title name. I'll change the title name to contact us. Fine. So even here I'll just create us. How can I help you? Something, or I'll just tell contact us. Something I'll just display here. Contact us. Rest everything I'm going to keep same as it is here. So the name thing I need to change here is the form I need to change. Rest everything will be the same. That is as I said in the previous sessions, like what is title, what is the header part, what is this container, and all those things I have said you. In Bootstrap, one row is been divided into 12 columns. We are dividing 3 from the top, 6 in the middle, and last 3 we have kept empty. So the things should come at the center. So I'll remove this entire form here. I'll just remove the entire form now. I'll just remove the entire form. Again, I'm going to remove this BR tag as well. So fine now. So I'll just save it. Once I save, come back to your website. So now if I try to refresh the page, so even it is telling not found. Why? Let me click onto here again. I'll click onto the contact here. If I click onto contact, it's going to the slash contact, but slash contact is present and it is running the views dot contact function. Okay, I think it is not saved. I'll just click onto the save all. So you can see it is whenever the things are not saved, just click onto the save all. Okay, that is going to work it. Coming back here, if I try to again now you can see it is telling me contact us page has been loaded now. So now next what I need to do here is I need to just I need to create a HTML form for it. So as you know, HTML forms is nothing, it is very much easy. I'll just have written the code. I'll just show you how we can paste it there. Coming back to here in the contact.html page, here I need to write the contact page. I'll write the comment here. I'll tell here I need to write the contact us code. Contact us code I need to write below so that it should display the form. So this is the form I need to just paste it. So basically form I have created, action, it whenever I click on to the submit button, it should redirect to the slash contact URL, and the method is going to be a post request, and CSRF token has been already so set. It is just to provide a security. Basically first I'm going to take a name. Here I'm telling enter your name. The placeholder class bootstrap class has been given. Type is a text. To store the value, I'm just storing into a name is equal to name. And email I'm going to take type email. Again, I'm storing the email into a variable email. I'm saying enter your email, and it is a required field. Until and unless they are not filling this tab, it is not going for the further process. Same way I'm taking the phone number. Again, I'm just going to take the particular text area value. So basically, obviously the phone number might be anything. So okay, fine, let it take the normal phone number itself. So it is going to be defined in a num, and here we are having whatever like query they have, they can put the query over here, and we are having one button that is a submit button over here. So let me save all and show you the form how it looks. So you can see it's just a normal, it is been coming over here. So you can see enter your name, enter your email, enter your phone number, enter how can I help you. So it is coming at the center somehow different. Like, let me put this thing into the text success is there, right? I'll just make it text warning. Let's show it into yellow color. Text warning. I'm going to remove this for loop. So basically I'll just tell for is equal to DESC, and whenever you are using a for, I need to use the ID as well here. I'll tell ID is equal to DESC. It should be same. If suppose you are clicking here, it will hover to this input box. That is what the thing is. Once I save here, coming back, if I refresh it, you can see I'm getting an yellow color. So you can see if I click onto here, it is hovering to this particular box. You can see if I just again, if I try to click, it is coming back to here. That is why here it is been taken now. So now I can enter the data and I can click onto the submit button as well. Even if you want to make the color of the button to yellow, even you can make it to warning color. I can just make the color to yellow color. Even I can just do like this. You can see it is looking perfectly for us because our website coloring has something yellowish. So I'm just keeping the button color as yellow. It is fine for me. So if you want to change anything, suppose if you want, if you're feeling it is not fine, even you can change the color to success, danger, or anything like that, whichever you like. Okay, So that is done now. So now front end part is done. So someone should be there to take the data. Whenever if I just submit some data, it should store it into our backend, but it should go to, and it should store it in over here as an object. So for that I need to write a backend code now. So for the backend code, I'll come back here in the views. Here I need to just tell here same way how I said here, if the particular request is a post request, I need to collect the name, I need to collect the email address, I need to collect the the phone number, and I need to collect the particular description. Then what I need to do, I need to store all the data to this particular class. I need to pass all the data to this particular class, and I need to I want to create an object and save all the data into that particular object and show the message your record has been created. So something I can do particular kind of thing like that. So let me show you, let me do that particular kind of things now. So now I'll come back to my views.python file. Here is the thing. What I'll do here is I'll just write the code for it. So what is the code? The same thing, whatever I have pasted here. So I don't want to repeat the things. So it is already has been said in my previous sessions as I have shared you. So just I'm explaining the code. That is, the function is a def function. I'm saying if the method is a post request, collect the name, collect the email, collect the phone number, and collect the description. So what is this name, email, num, and desc? It is same as it is exactly written what you have written inside the name over here. Okay, whatever you have written over here. Suppose if I say here if I tell here in the name, if I tell here as a full name, suppose if I have said in the name that is full name, then you have to use this same name over here also to iterate the particular value of a variable. That is a full name only I have to use. Same way for the email, num, and the name is equal to desc. Same thing is been defined, name, email, number, and description. Okay, so what it does means, whatever, suppose if I type something here, if I tell my name is Anis, so this name is going to store here, and this particular name is going to store as a string into a variable that is name. So like it the particular things works. So once it has been done, when all the four things has been taken, now I need to store the values into my contact table. So for what is the contact here, so I need to import it here. So I'll tell from the auth application, so sorry, from the auth app dot, from the app dot models, I'm going to import a database table that is what, contact. I'm going to import a database table that is contact. Always your class name should be a capital letter, the database table name. So I'm just importing this. So once I import this one, so you can see now it has been, error has been gone. So what I'm saying, in the contact table we are having a field name, email, phone number, and description. Same I am passing out the right hand side, name, email, phone number, and description. And after assigning some values, so whatever the values are coming from the front end to the back end, that values is going to store it into this left hand side variables. These variables I'm just passing the values to it. For the name I'm passing name, for the email I'm just passing the email, for the phone number database table attribute I'm passing the form database number, and same way for the database table description I'm just passing the description which is coming from the front end. So once the data has been came, I'm just storing into the variable, that is whatever the query I have executed. I'll tell I want to save it, and I'm just passing a message, thanks for contacting us, we'll get back you soon. So I'm just telling, I am just passing a message that is info color, thanks for contacting us, we'll get back you soon. Then I'm directly redirecting back to the same, that is contact page itself. So this is how the code logic works. I'll just save the data. So once I come here, I'll try to click onto the contactors again. So let me fill one data. Let's tell Anis Rahman. I'll just tell the email procoder at email.com. I'll try to enter the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, something random number, and I'll tell hey, I want to know more about the gym. So once I say and submit onto it, you can see I'm getting here, thanks for contacting us, we'll get back you soon. So the data has been passed to the backend perfectly and response has been written perfectly. Let me check whether the data has been stored it or not into my database. You can see if I refresh it, as my database model is returning what, the email, so it is showing the email here. If I try to click onto this object, you can see all the data, whichever the thing is passed from the front end, the data has been stored obviously same as in the back end as well. Okay, so like this we can able to work with the front end and back end. That is a very simple part, that is we are storing the data from the front end to back end in a very simple manner. I have shown you how we can create a database table, run the migrations, then write a particular functions to it, take a request, whether it is a get request or a post request, then create a particular form into your contact.html page, and you can easily iterate the particular value to it. So now we are done with the authentication part. Sign up, log in, log out. I want to just sign in again. Let me sign in here. If I just tell Anis, so I think I can log in with the, okay, I cannot enter the alphabets here, so it is only going to take the numbers. So basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'll just tell 1W, yes, Anis. I'll just tell login it. I'm logged in. So basically all the contact page is also working fine, and even the logout working. Everything is working fine now. So now I want to write a enrollment table. Now I want to enroll it, membership enroll. So I want to write a particular enroll table over here. So let me do something. What I need to do here is coming back to your models. So basically we are done with the contact page. So I have not added the contact table, so that is also done now. So let me copy all this data. Let me copy all this data and paste it over here. So I want to enroll the particular data now. I want to enroll it here. So I'll say I'll tell here same as it is. I'll just create a class. I'll tell class enrollment. The database table I'm going to give as an enrollment, which is going to take the model start, model field, and I'm going to enter it here. So what I'll do here is I'll copy. I'll press the tab over here. So you can see always we have to start with the 4 spaces after the colon. This you already know. So basically I need to take the full name. So obviously I'm going to take same as it is. So the name can be equal to model.character field. It can be length of 25. Same I want to take the email as well. So this one I'll just going to give the model start email field. I'm going to store it, and same way for the gender, I'm going to store the gender into a character field. I'm going to create a database attribute character field, and a phone number. I'm going to create a database character field, that is a 12. Then I have a date of birth. So basically even the date of birth I'm going to store it into a character field, that is a model start character field. So even I think we are having something model start. Let me check model start. The date field, you can see date field I have, date time field I have, decimal field. I think date field works. I don't know, is that it? Okay, it is using a date field. I think it is going to work, the model dot date field. If I remove like this, yeah, I'll just remove this much. I think this is going to work, that is auto. Now it is going to add the particular fault. Okay, it is we are storing a date of birth. Even you can store it in this way also. So or else I am going to make it simple. Everything I am going to keep it into a character field. I'll just make the something like character of 20. Okay, that will be fine. Or I'll just make it as 50. Then select the particular membership plan. I'll tell select membership plan. So that is something even that will be a model start character field. Even that will be a model start character field. This time I'm going to keep this letter as some 200 characters. I'm going to keep it. Okay, so which is going to select the membership plan, and I want to select a trainer as well. So for the trainer name, I'll also just keep the same name, that is something like I'll just keep it as 55, the character field, and the reference. So even for the reference I'll just going to keep something same, and for the address basically I'm going to keep this text field, so it might be lengthy one. So I'm going to store the lengthy one in the text field. So I have created a class enrollment, which is going to take the enrollment of the person who are joining the gym. It is a full name, email, gender, phone number, date of birth, membership plan, trainer, reference, and address is going to take it. So let me copy the same thing. I'm going to return the same string over here. This time rather than returning this one, I'll going to return the full name of the person. I'm going to return the full name so that they can easily get it. So I'll just save this data. Okay, so So I'm just going to save this particular data now. So now I am going to create one more database table. So basically I want to load the values for the membership, so the admin can easily able to give the suppose I'll say I want to join a gym for the 3-month membership plan which is having 7,000. Suppose I am the owner of the gym. I am going to change the plan. I want to keep it as 8,000 or 9,000. I want to change the particular 3-month to 8-month. That should happen dynamically. I cannot come to the code always, and I cannot make the code changes, right? So from my mobile itself or from my laptop itself, I should be able to access that particular kind of thing. So for that, I'm going to keep 2 particular extra tables, that is for the trainer and membership, so that it can be done dynamically. So I'm going to create a one database table again. So I'll just create a database table, that is a class, that is a trainer. So I'm going to create a class that is a trainer, that is having a models, say models dot model field. Okay, so here I am going to take a trainer name. So I'm going to take the particular trainer name. I am just going to take the particular trainer name here. So I'm going to take the particular trainer name. So I'm going to take his gender. So that is models dot character field. So this time I'm going to keep some 55 name. So I'm going to take the trainer name, I'm going to take the gender name, and I'm going to take the particular what I can take as, I can take the phone number of the particular trainer who is going to join. So name, gender, phone number. Then what else I can take? Name, phone number. Okay, so let me take only this stuff for the trainer, so that they can able to select the particular trainer. So that I'm just going to, for the admin, who suppose in my gym, suppose some trainer or some trainers are coming for the enrollment, like they want to work with us, I can just make their what I can just take their enrollment, and I can just store the values or store the particular details of it, and I'm going to take the salary of it. I'm going to keep the salary for it there, so I'm going to assign the salary as well. So for that, I'm going to use the models dot integer field. So let's tell models dot integer field. So it is going to take few of the things. I'll tell models dot integer field. I am going to assign a salary for the particular person. Okay, so this is the one thing I'm going to create it. So we have created a 2 database table, that is an enrollment table and a trainer table. So same as it is, I want to create one more, that is a membership plan. So I want to create a membership plan database table. So I'm going to create a new, that is I am just going to keep the membership plan here. The database name I'm going to give as a membership plan. So this is the database table I'm going to keep same as it is, how we have done from the top, same as it is. I need to paste it over here. Okay, so same as it is, I'm going to paste it here. So now what I need to do here is, I want to just store the particular membership plan. So I'll tell what is the plan, what is the plan of it. So for that, I'm going to keep the same, that is the plan might be anything, that it can be like for 3 months it is 7,000, or a 4-month plan, 3-month plan, 2-month plan, 12-month plan, 1 year, 2 years, something like that. So I'm just going to keep a plan for it. I'll just keep it some 185 character length. Same as it is, I'm going to assign a price for it. I'm going to assign the particular price for it. So price might be anything. I'm going to assign it with the integer field. So that can be maximum of 55 lines, something like that. Okay, so I have created a 2 extra table, that is a trainer table and a membership plan. So here what I need to do here is, I'm going to return the few things, that is the string I'm going to return here. It is going to return the particular trainer name. It is going to return the trainer name over here, same as it is here. It is going to return the, I'll just tell, even I can return the integer also. I'll just tell return the integer. I'll just return the self dot id. So id will be a default primary key for all the tables. So even I can return the particular id to it also. So, okay, so even it is possible for us to do. So let me save all the data. Let me save all the data. Let me suppose see whether I have something I have added missed here. So basically I'm going to view the table. So editable, phone number is editable, date of birth, membership plan, and okay. So same way I need to write the joining date as well, right? I want to get to know when is the enrollment happen, which date the enrollment is happened. So that is an important thing I need to take care. So let me see in my model how to give the timestamp. Okay, so I'm going to keep the timestamp over here. So whenever the enrollment happens, I want to keep the particular timestamp of it. So where suppose someone is coming and enrolling, from that day they have enrolled, you need to get to know, right? So which is the date I have done. So here I have added something models.date time field attribute, which is having auto now add, that is to true, that is automatically it is going to add the today's date. Okay, whenever they are going to enroll it, I have just kept it as true. Same way even I'll just keep it for the trainer. And for the membership plan, no need of membership plan, it's fine. We don't need to put like that, so fine for us. Okay, so it is, I can just pretty simple, which we have added few stuffs. So I hope you have understood till here. Like we have created database tables now. So as I have created a database table, what I said before, whenever you do any changes in your models.python file, the first thing you have to do here is you have to go to the terminal and you have to run the migrations. I have already opened. So first command is what? Python manage.py make migration, enter it. So you can see created a database model enrollment, created a database model membership plan, created a database model trainer. Same as it is. Once it is done, I want to click onto the migrate. So you can see migrations is applied for all the things. When it is done, I want to register inside my administration. For all the things I need to register, I'll tell I want to register the membership plan, I want to register the enrollment, then I want to register the trainer database table into my administration. Same as it is, I need to copy it. I'll just pass this value. I want to pass the membership plan, I want to just pass the enrollments. Okay, then I want to just pass the trainer over. So once everything is done, click onto the file and save it to all. So coming back to our stuff and coming back to the auth application, you can see in my home page there are 4 database table right now which we have created. So I can see all the enrollment data over here. I can, if suppose I have any other membership plans, I can add the membership plans. If I want to add any trainers, I can add as well. Let me add the few trainers and show you. So I want to add a new trainers. So the name, I'll just tell it as something, I want to just give it the trainer name. So I'll just give the trainer name as what is the trainer name? I'll just keep it as Darshan. Okay, Darshan is a trainer and he is male and phone number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and his salaries per month is 25,000 something. I'm going to save it. Okay, so again I'm going to add one more trainer. So suppose I'll just add Kirtik, KTHIK, and I'll just keep it is a male and I'll just write some random phone number. So it is having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and just give the salary of 30,000 and I'll just going to save it. So let me add one more girl trainer. So I'll just add here as something as Rihanna. So she's a girl trainer. I'll go to add here male is a female and I'll just tell 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'm going to add the salary of 20,000. Okay, I'll just going to save it. So now you can see we are having a 3 trainers into my trainers database table. So in my gym there are 3 trainers now. Even I can delete the data. Even if I want to update, if I want to make it as Rihanna MS, I can just make it, and even I can save, even I can update the data into the database table as well. So which is having a default authentication, default CRUD operation system into our Django. So now we have added it. So I want to add one membership plan as well. So I'll add the membership plan. I'll add the membership plan of, suppose if they are selecting a 1 month, I want to just tell as, suppose I'll just make it as 1 month over here. I'll just make it as 1 month. If they are coming only for the 1 month, I want to just keep it as 2,500 as a plan for it. Okay, so I want to add one more, that is for the 2 months. If they are coming, I'm just giving an offer of 3,000. So not 3,000, I'll just keep it as 4,000 as a data. So once it is done, I want to just add one more membership plan. So membership plan for the 3 months. So I'll just make it as a 3 months. So THRE 3 months. So I'm just going to keep a membership plan of 6,000 over here. Okay, they all want to join for the 6 months. Then I'll add same as it is for the 6 months. So they are joining for the 6 month. So they are having an offer of 8,000. Okay, we are having an offer of 8,000 for the 6 month. If they are having one more plan, I'm just going to keep it for the 1 year. So 1 year bumper offer, okay, something. So if they are joining for the 1 year, I'm just going to give the data for the 10,000 rupees. We are having a 1 year bumpership plan. So these are the some of the few plans I have added. So later even I can editable as well. So one thing I want to tell you guys here is, in my database table I have added the two things. Suppose here we are adding the enrollment, like the full name, email, gender, phone number, date of birth, selecting the membership particular plan and selecting the particular trainer, and as well reference and address. Everything is fine, but I want to store the particular payment detail as well. Suppose I have enrolled into my gym, so I want to see my payment data also. I want to see the payment status, whether it is paid or not, how much I have paid, when is the particular due date of mine. I want to just keep that one as it is. Okay, I want to just keep that thing perfectly. So I'll try to add 3 more extra fields over here. I want to just create a new field that is a payment status. I want to just keep the payment status as, so basically I'm going to keep the payment status as like this. Payment status, I'm just going to keep it as a false, and it can be blank, no problem. Okay, I'll make it can be a blank to true. I can keep the blank to true. So that is something. Blank true is something means, what is meant by blank true? Blank true in the sense it can, your whatever the what you can say, whatever, if this field is empty, it will be true, but no, it can be empty also, no issues, because when I'm passing the data to the front end to the back end, this time if I am not passing this attribute, blank is equal to true, and even I think there is an option of null. Yeah, null is equal to true. Even I can tell it can be a null is equal to true as well. Okay, it can be null or thing. So I'll see payment status is a paid or not, and I want to keep same as it is one more data, that is a payment amount, how much the amount is been paid. I'll just keep it as price. I'll make it as a price. What is the price is been, how much the particular price is been paid. So that also I'll just make it it will be an integer field. Okay, it will be a integer field, and I'll make it, okay, it can be also true also, even it can be like it can be nullable. Null in the sense it can be empty values as well. That is going to update by the owner later when after the enrollment. So payment status done, price is done, and our membership plan is going to come under this category. Then I want to check one thing. I want to just tell when is my expiry date, when is the due date. So when is the due date of my payment? I want this will be going to update by the trainer. So basically for the due date, it will be a model store date field itself. I'll make it again. I'll tell model store date field. Here there is a auto now is there. I'm going to remove this one. I'm just going to remove this one. Blank is equal to true, and even it can be a null value also. Null is equal to true. Empty also can be there. Okay, even it can be null is equal to true, blank is equal to true. And basically now one more thing, let me check. Maximum length given, maximum length is given, fine. Okay, that is done. This can be this 3 data bit field is been updated by our owner. So all this data we can see it into our profile later. So now I did the modifications inside my database table, that is the enrollment table. So what is the next thing you have to do? So whenever you do modification, or whether you are removing some of the attributes from your database table, the first thing you have to do here is you need to run the migration so that your application is going to work perfectly. Same I'm going to tell, I'll tell python manage.py make migration. You can see there is added a due date to the enrollment, added a price to the enrollment, payment status is added. Yes, I have added. I am going to migrate it. Once I click onto the migrate, I can see all the migrations is applied perfectly, and I can this has been perfectly, it has been done. So like this I can easily create a database table. Now if I come back here, if I click onto the enrollments, if I click onto the add enrollment, you can see all the database field over here. Suppose someone has entered, that obviously it is been coming from the front end itself, like it is coming from the full name. I'll be getting email, gender, phone number, date of birth, select membership plan, select a particular trainer, reference and address, and a payment status, price you can see, and you can see the due date. Even I can add the time is also I can add, and even I can just save the particular data from here as well. Now what is the main motive of your website is, I want to take the entire details of the person from the front end part, but is from here I need to just going to take. So the enrollment I'm going to take a data from the persons. Okay, so I want to add something like this. So let's create it now. Let's coming back to the templates in the base.html page. I'll tell if anyone try to click onto the enroll, I'll tell enroll for the gym, enroll for, it should go to the slash enroll. So I'll just tell slash join. I'm going to create a URL that is join. So that is join gym, something join I have been created. So the join I'm going to replace even here as well, slash join. When it is been joined, it is going to the path, it is going to this join path, it is going to run the join function, and it is run the name that is join. Okay, so this is going to join. I think join is some keyword or not, I hope it is not a keyword. So I'll change the values here. I'll just tell to join gym. Okay, I'll just tell join the gym. So I'll just tell what else I can just say. Join is fine. I'll just tell join. What I can say, join. Let it skip it. If it's something there, we'll just keep it. So we have created a join function, that is they can join the particular gym. So I'll just create a particular function name here as well. So I'll just keep the slash join. I'm just going to change the function name to enroll here. Okay, enroll, enroll, and the function name I'm just going to keep it as a enroll it over here. But the URL will be a slash join, but the function is going to run the enroll. So this enroll function I'm going to write it here. I'll just tell write the function for the enroll, which is going to take the request, and I'm going to return render. It is going to take the request comma, and it's going to for the enroll.html file. So it is going to return the enroll.html file. Let me create an enroll.html file. Enroll.html file I'm going to create it over here. That is done now. So now same thing, what I'll do here is I'll go to the contact.html page. I'll just copy everything. I'm coming back to the enroll. I'm going to paste everything here. Just I'm going to change the title name. I'll just tell enrollment for gym. So I'll just tell the title name should be enrollment for the gym. So now once it has been done, I am going to save everything over here. I'm going to save everything. So it has been saved. That is fine. Now coming back to this form, which is I need to modify it. So I'll tell here basically I need to change the stuffs here. Contact is there. I'll just tell join the best gym in Bangalore. Join the best gym in Bangalore. Okay, I'm just going to display this one. Let me here. So here I'm just going to change the button to the enroll. Okay, I'm just going to keep it to the enroll it over here. Fine. Right now I have taken the best gym in Bangalore. So basically the action I'm going to keep empty now. Later we'll see what is the action. First what I need to take care of it. First I need to take the full name, right? I need to take the full name. I'm going to take the full name here. So first I'm telling enter your full name. I'm going to tell enter your full name. I'm going to tell enter your full name. So the particular name I want to just store it into a variable that is full name itself. So full name is done. Then I need to take the email as well. To take the email, basically once the people is been logged in, I can tell value is equal to, I'll just tell value is equal to user dot username. Sorry, the user dot email. When I hit a user dot email, obviously the email is going to auto pop up. It will be going to, whenever I am doing the login, whenever I'm doing the sign up, I am providing the email and I am providing the phone number. So what is the point of providing there? Again, I am providing here also. I want to load exact email and exact phone number from the database table. I'll tell name is equal to email. So I will just store the variable into email and it has been required. Then enter your email is been required. If it is not there, it will just tell enter your email. So there is no point of selling this one. It's fine. So one is done. Email is done. Now I need to take the gender, right? I need to just take the gender. So obviously your gender will be what? The gender will be a drop down. So the particular gender will be the drop down itself, right? So it will be a drop down. So I need to just tell the drop down values over here. So I'll just try to see where is that particular drop down code. Let me check into my websites. Okay, so basically I want to just provide the drop downs. I want to just take the particular data as a drop down. So for that one, I need to, okay, where is it, front and back end? Okay, just a second, I'm just seeing what is the, how can I provide a particular drop down. So basically I can just type it, so rather than typing it I can easily write it by own, but whichever the code is there, the previous codes of mine, I'm going to use the same code and I'm going to return the particular data to it. Okay, so it's loading it. If I just show you how it has been saved, I'll just save all. Coming back to my website, if I click on to the enroll, okay, I need to refresh it. If I click on to the enroll here, you can see it is going to the enroll, join the best gym in the Bangalore. You can see it is telling, you can see it is automatically, it has been taken our email, and here I need to provide the full name, right? So basically now what is the next thing I need to provide, and next thing I need to provide the particular drop down. For a drop down I want to use the, what is the gender of it. So basically for the gender I am going to create a drop down in this fashion. I am just going to paste and show you now. Okay, here it is in the enrollment. For removing, I'll just remove this, the bound down stuff I want to remove it. So even the phone number, let it be the phone number, no problem. So here is after the email, I'm going to tell to select the particular gender over. I'll just format the document. So you can see in the gender, I'm just going to take the gender. So I'm just displaying what is the gender. Gender is taking a gender. I'm just storing the date into name is equal to gender, selecting the particular male or as a female stuff, it has been going to take it over here, so that is fine. If I just show you in my front end part, so you can see here in the front end, okay, I'm getting an error looking for the one end block. So where is the end block? Something has been happened. Okay, it will happen something if you are getting that kind of error. Just make sure you are just using this kind of syntax. Okay, so I'll just tell it is a block title, end block is the title is been ending. So because I have formatted, right, because of that, so let me create a block head here. So just make sure you are using this same thing. Okay, so if I just save it all now, if I just press Ctrl S and refresh, I hope that error is been resolved. You can see now I'm having, you can see I'm having the thing that is select male or a female. You can see I'm getting a gender to select the male or a email. So one thing I need to tell here is here I'm removing the margin and padding from the top. Okay, here I'm just telling whatever the gender is there, even I can just give the particular class name here. I'll just tell class is equal to text white, or else better than not, no need of giving this gender itself. Let me select here itself, select gender, gender, gender. So let me show this way itself, and even I'm going to remove this padding 2 from here. Now that will resolve the issue. If I just come here and refresh, now you can see that is going to resolve your issue. You can see I'm getting select the male and female, but it is coming from the top, it has been not having the space. So basically I'll just give the margin from the top, just give it the 2. Okay, margin from the top, just keep it as a 2 spaces. You can see from the morning from the margin from the top, it has been taken by the 2 spaces. So full name I need to enter, I need to enter the email, I need to enter the all the things, and here I am having a phone number. So let's see what are the next thing I need to take it. So the next thing I need to take it as a phone number. Phone number is already been defined. I'll just copy the phone number, and same as it is, I am going to, not in the contact, in the enrollment, I'm just going to keep the same type is equal to number. And what else, here I need to just tell name is equal to phone number. I'm just going to keep, so it has been done. So next I need to, after the phone number, I need to take the date of birth, right? Same way I'll just copy, coming back to the enrollment table, so I'll just copy the same form group again, Control D. I'll tell form group same, but here it is a date, it is a date of birth. I'll just tell it is a date. I'll just tell select the data, I'll just tell date of birth, date of, I'm just taking the date of birth of the person. Okay, so here I'm just going to save it in the name variable, that is DOB. Save it and come back and refresh. You can see I can able to select the date as well. I just can see because I had given type is equal to date, so because of that I can able to click on to the select the particular date as well over here, and I can enter the phone number as well. All the things has been coming fine. Coming back to the next, I need to select the membership plan. I need to select the membership plan. So this thing I need to do it dynamically. This thing I need to do the particular dynamically. So I'll show you how I can do that one. So basically I'll just show you one with one code. I'll just copy this one. Okay, coming back to the enrollment. So here I want to suppose I want to select a date of birth. Select I want to store the membership plan. So I'll tell I want to select the membership plan, right? I'll just rename select the membership plan. Okay, here I'll just remove this label. Here rather in the placeholder I'm going to keep this one. I'll just tell placeholder is equal to, I'll tell, okay, no need of placeholder, I can just make it here itself, right? In the select I'll tell select the membership, select the particular membership plan over here. So here how can I do this one? Here is I'll use the concept of dictionary. So here you see I have applied a for loop over here. I'll tell in my all the plans, so I'll just tell here plans for memberships, for the post in the membership, I'll let for the plan. So I'm applying a for loop for plan in membership. I want to get the plan dot, what is the name here I have given, that is a select membership, sorry, not here, here. What is the plan I have given? I need to just copy this plan over here. I need to use the plan in the enrollment. I'll tell plan dot plan. So basically there is a plan. I'll just make the variable to p here. Okay, pp. So I want to tell whatever the membership plan is there from the table, that is a membership plan. I want to access the plan over here and I want to display dynamically. Same way I need to tell here also p dot plan as well. So this where is this membership is coming from now? So this membership is going to come from the database. So the membership is going to come from the database. So this membership, I'll come here into my views.python file. So here what I'll do here is I'll pass as a dictionary. So I'll tell first, what I'll tell here is I want to get all the data. I'll tell membership. So it was a membership, right? I'll tell memberships is equal to, I'll tell whatever the, where was it, the database table name. So I need to import first. I want to import the membership plan. Okay, I'll just tell membership plan. Along with that I need to import the trainer as well, trainer database table. So that is I'm importing all the data from the trainer and I'm importing all the data from the membership plan database table. Or I'll tell whatever the membership plans are there, I want to get all that one. I'll tell objects, get all the objects dot all. So what it does means it is going to get all the query set of the membership. So what I'll do here is I'll pass everything in the context. Context is equal to, I'm going to pass everything over here. I'll tell whatever the membership says there, I want to store it into a form of a dictionary. I'm going to pass all the data to the membership in the dictionary. This context I'm going to pass to this HTML page dynamically. So context. So you can see now what happens means all the data is being going to pass to this variable, and this variable data is coming in the form of a key and a value pairs. In the context is going to pass to this enroll.html page. Once I save, it is going to come here for the membership. It is going to read all the plans over here and it will append all the values here. So let me change here margin from the top to 2 and remove this M2 and P2 from here. So you can see all the data has been coming now. If I just save everything, coming back to the page and refresh it, you can able to see, might be, I'm not sure. You can see if I click here, you can see all the membership plans have been coming. So where it is from coming? It is coming directly from the database to here. How? First I am iterating all the values into my, whenever I am returning the enroll HTML file, I am getting all the data from the membership plan and I'm just passing as a dictionary to the HTML page. Here I have applied the for loop for the membership which is coming from the dictionary and I'm iterating the value with the p.plan. Okay, so like this I can easily iterate the values from the database. Okay, so you can see 3-month plan, you can see 6-month plan, and even you can see 1-year plan. All the things can be happen over here. Okay, so you can see 1-month plan is there, 2-month plan is there, a 6-month I want to enroll, and 1-year plan also is been there. So something we can just do like that. So what happens here is whenever I select 2-month plan, I need to update one attribute, that is I want to what I need to say here, I want to update the price as well in my backend as well. Okay, so I want to display the price also for them, so that we'll see in the coming session. So let me add other attributes now. Coming here, okay, where is it? Here. So okay, it is done. Membership plan, same as it, I need to do it for the trainer as well. I want to select the trainer, right? So same as it is, I am going to put the comma here. So same as it is, I am going to load all the trainers from the trainers database table. Tr trainer dot objects dot all. I'm getting all the data from the trainers. This select trainers, what I'll do here is I'll just same as it is, I'm going to pass as a dictionary to the context. Now it is getting passed. Coming back here, obviously I'm going to use the same div group, but here I am going to tell select that particular trainer. So from where I need to select? I need to select from the select trainer database table. But what is the trainer name? What is the trainer name? I am accessible with the dot name. I can access the particular data with the dot name. So I'll come here and I'll say I want to tell b dot name, and even I am going to tell here b dot name. Okay, if I just save it, now if I come back and refresh and just check it over here, you can see select trainer. You can see I'm getting select the particular trainer, that is Darshan, Kirtik and Rihanna MS. Even they can select the particular trainer as according to their wish. Okay, so this is also one done. I want to keep one more option, that is I want to keep one more option. I think I can keep it here. If they don't want trainer, what is the issue? So what is the okay, suppose I don't want any trainer, so I'll update it from the database as well. Even I can update it through the database here. I'll tell here admin trainers. Suppose I don't want any trainer, I tell there is someone is a no one. Suppose I'll just update here, there is a no one. I'll just tell no need no one. If I say okay, I need to, this is mandatory free. It is, I'll tell he is something what I'll say, it is anonymous, and also I'll just update anonymous here. I'll just tell something 0. Okay, he says something where is a no one, but I don't want any trainer. Suppose he wants no one, like he can select, right? Like it is his choice, he's want a trainer or not, personal training or not. So if he select here, you can see now it will get no one option has been there, so they can select no one and they can enroll it. Suppose if they don't want any trainer. Okay, so that is also been added now. So next, coming back to the rest thing, trainer has been reference, address and payment status. So reference, I'm going to add it to reference, address, payment. Okay, reference, address, I need to just check the two things, then that's all. Coming back here, so now I want to take the reference, right? So I'll just copy this div group. So after this div tag, I'm going to paste it. So here I'll just tell it as a reference, REFE, or sorry, it is a type text, and it is not a required field as well. Okay, so if there is a required field, they can add, or else I will just keep it empty. I'll tell here type text. So if there is a reference, only at that time they can enter REFE, and say reference. I'll tell referred by, REFE, RED, referred by something. I can take, if they are having reference, they can add the reference field as well. Next thing, I need to add the address. So next thing, I need to add the particular address, so they can add the address normally. I'll just use normal address field itself. Just save it. So okay, so I'm going to add the particular address now. I'll tell here it is a type text, and I'll tell it is the address. So what is the address? I'll just tell address here, address. Okay, so that's all. So I'm going to store the everything, so then it will be a enroll button, that's it. So I'll save everything. Coming back to our database, the front end part, if I refresh, now our form is ready. It is perfectly ready. You can say I can enter the name, and I can enter the gender, and I can enter the phone number, enter the date of birth, select the particular membership plan, select the particular trainer, and who is referred by. Even you can just refer all the things, and even there will be address as well. So basically, while selecting the membership plan, they can obviously I need to show the price as well. So I can do one thing. For the membership plan. Here itself, I am going to show the price for it. Here itself, I'll just go to show the price. I'll just show something like select the membership plan, right? So I can just play it smart. So basically, in the membership, I have a price attribute as well. I can just tell here itself. I think I'll tell p dot price. Okay, 1 month price. I'll just tell something. I can just tell, I can just put the dash here. I can just put the dash over here, and I can just save it here. So if I save now, and if I just save it and refresh it, if I come and see here, you can see 1 month 2500, 400, 6, so 6000, 8000. I am getting the price as well. It is easy for them to select the particular plan as well. So like this we can easily, I can just make the rupees as well. I can display it here. Just like this we can easily play with the code when we are having depth knowledge on the front end and as well back end part. So like this we can select it. So we have created the form in this today's session, and we have done with the contact form, and we have added the few of the database table as well. So today's session was the most important session. We have dealt with the various creating a database table, and I shown you how to submit the form as well, and even I have shown you how we can deal with the front end back end part. So in the next session we are going to deal with this. So I want in the next session I'll going to deal with this. So you can try by that, like how I had done here, how I had done in the views, how I have done for the contact, taking a name, email, same as it is. You have to take all the attributes. Rather than storing into a contact table, I want to store it into the enrollment table, and by saving same attributes name passing, and I need to just tell save and info it. That's it. So when we are doing done with that, so whenever any person are going to join the gym, they are easily able to enroll it. And here we need to put some validity, like if the email exists already, I am not going to make the double duplicate enrollments. All these things we are going to add it into the next session. I hope you have understood the entire session, and I'll see you in the next particular session.